Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Today the topic of our learning is fractions and objective of our today's learning is to know the concept of numerator and denominator. Now children, let us learn what is numerator. The number which is written above the line in a fraction is called numerator, and denominator, the number which is written below the line in a fraction is called denominator. Children, and we can denote numerator and denominator as n and d. It should be capital. Now let us see one example. Suppose our first example is 3 upon 7. Now which two things we have to observe? That which number is written above the line and which number is written below the line. Similarly, in second example, that is 6 upon 9, we will observe the same numbers and same things. Now children, you will answer what is written above the line? 3. And which numbers is written below the line? 7. In second example, the number above the line is 6 and the number below the line is 9. I think you are clear with it. Now we will write numerator and denominator. Now children, numerator, that means capital N, is 3 because it is written above the line, and denominator, that is denoted as capital D, is 7 because it is written below the line. Similarly, in second example, numerator, that is capital N, is 6 and denominator, that is capital D, is 9, and in copy you will do it like this. Now let us solve one sum. Sum is tell N and D if. Now the children, fraction is given to us 5 upon 8. Now what we will do? We will again write this fraction and put arrow. What is 5? It is above the line, so it is numerator. We will write N, and 8, put arrow, and it is denominator, so we will write D. Now we will write answer. Now N is equal to, that means numerator is equal to 5 as it is above the line, and denominator, that is D, is equal to 8 as it is below the line. Now let us see the copy approach of same sums. Now children, first of all, draw margins, write down date, fraction, that is our today's topic, and write down exercise 1, and that is tell N and D. We will write capital N and capital D. That means we have to tell numerator and denominator. Let us suppose our first sum is this. So what is the sum? 1 upon 9. So this is the sum. We know that upper part, that means the number which is above the line is numerator and below the line is denominator. So first of all you will write 1 upon 9. Now put arrows. Now upper number is numerator and lower number is denominator. Children, you will not draw line here because we are just telling what is numerator and what is denominator. Now this is simple. Now again leave one line. Now N is equal to, what is N? Numerator 1. So write down 1. Put comma. What is denominator? 9. So write down like this. That's it. This is our exercise. Now let us do one more sum. Our second sum is, suppose it is 3 upon 6. Now leave one line, write down 3 upon 6. 3 is the numerator because it is the number above the line. Sorry, you don't have to draw the line here. And 6 is the number below the line, so it is the denominator. Now again leave a line. We will properly tell n is equal to 3 and put comma, d is equal to 6. Like this. Children, we have to keep in mind what has been asked. Tell n and d, so answer will be like this. Fraction is given, then we will mark what is numerator and denominator, and then we will write the answer. Now children, let us learn how to make a fraction. Now our first example is make a fraction if n, that is numerator, is equal to 8 and d, that is denominator, is equal to 12. First of all, we will write what is fraction. We will denote fraction with capital F. So fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. After writing this formula, we will add the values. So again we will write fraction is equal to, what was numerator in the sum? 8. So we will write 8 above the line, and what was denominator in the sum? 12. So we will write 12 below the line. Now the fraction is equal to 8 upon 12. Now let us have a look at the copy approach. Now children, take a new page on your copy. Draw margins, write down date, homework. Today again our topic is fraction. Now what we have to do? We have to write exercise 1. Make a fraction. Make a fraction. Fraction. If number 1, n is equal to 4 and d is equal to 8. Now children, we have to make a fraction, and what is given to us? Numerator and denominator. And we all know that. Now here you will write f means fraction. Fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. Here you will draw the line which is known as upon, because this is a formula. Fraction is equal to numerator upon denominator. So fraction is equal to, what is numerator? 4. Write down 4 upon, what is denominator? 8. So here we will write 8. Now again what was asked? Make a fraction, and we have made the fraction. Leave one line, put number 2. Let us suppose our next sum is n is equal to 6, that is numerator, and d, denominator, is equal to 12, like this. Now again, what is fraction? F is equal to numerator upon denominator. Again leave one line. Fraction is equal to 6 upon 12, like this. Now you have to keep in mind, if fraction is asked, then you will write what is fraction, and answer will be like this. I hope you are clear with the copy approach. Now children, I want you to practice the sums given in your SNAP homework. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you class.